Can cracking your knuckles give you arthritis? Crack. Does knuckle popping really cause arthritis? The sound comes from gas bubbles bursting in your joints. Studies show no direct link between cracking knuckles and arthritis. But repetitive popping can weaken your grip strength over time. It might also irritate surrounding tissues, causing mild discomfort. Frequent cracking is often a habit, not a medical necessity. The best way to protect your joints? Stay active and hydrated. Focus on maintaining joint health with stretching and movement. Occasional cracking is fine, but avoid forcing it. Knuckle cracking isn't dangerous, but moderation is key. Follow for more myth-busting health tips.